You will become rich if you do this for 3 months. Wealth is something that nearly everyone desires, yet few people know what it takes to get it. It requires a combination of fortune, skill, and patience to become rich. But is that the only way to cross the valleys of wealth? Perhaps, or perhaps not. As per the present, in order to become affluent, you must first establish yourself on a path that leads to a monetarily rewarding career, and then manage the money you earn properly by investing it, saving it, and minimizing your living expenditures. Now, you know that things aren't worth anything until the rest of the world sees them. Time has changed, and so has the road to becoming a millionaire. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how Musk reached the heights, or Buffett made the best use of dividend stocks to become a billionaire? Everyone fantasizes about winning the lottery and becoming rich overnight. People aspire to be wealthy. Just do a search on Google Books and you can see that it's been a rising trend since the 90s. If you're one of those greedy, obviously in a good way, then you're in the right place, as we're about to present to you some daily life etiquette that would make you rich in just 3 months. So follow us till the end of the video and give us a big thumbs up if you like it. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Number 1. Exploit your skill as a self-employed expert and invest in it. It's the same idea as being the best in your profession. When you're the best at anything, opportunities come your way. It is crucial to keep improving in order to become an expert in something. Successful people invest time, energy, and money in themselves, and it could be the ultimate rewarding investment that you ever make. Make it your objective to be the best at one thing. Work on it, train for it, learn it, practice it, analyze it, and refine it. Most professional athletes and entertainers are wealthy because they maximize their ability. If you're good at something, you successfully earn the most out of it. Number 2. Be an inventor and see it as a chance to serve. Processing a unique invention patent may be the key to success. But take Snapchat for an example. Even if it would be difficult, think of it as a method to help those who really need your idea. Without the public's backing, no firm can succeed. Showing your clients that you are genuinely trying to improve them will be more effective than intending to extract every last dollar from them. Number 3. Hit 100K, then invest the rest. To me, earning and investing means your investments will increase in value or provide you with a cash return. However, it can be somewhat different meaning for you. Always consider the dangers when investing your money, especially when using one of the speculative tactics. Your daily savings, however tiny, add up. Even if you can only save $5 or $10 at a time, each of these investments will serve as a major source of income. Everyone wants to become wealthy quickly, but it's difficult to accomplish a goal like this in a short time. Instead of focusing on becoming rich quickly, try to start saving your first 100K. Number 4. Build a portfolio of stocks and shares. You can create a sizable wealth reserve if you invest consistently in equities over an extended period, make sensible stock selections, and reinvest dividends. Stocks can naturally go either way, and many small investors become discouraged when the value of their portfolio falls. However, equities are considerably more liquid and long-term investments that are just as beneficial as real estate. Crashing the stock market can be a terrific time to purchase if you have the cash and the nerve. Number 5. Find a job in the right vehicle. The best advice ever is undoubtedly the last but not the least. Choose a career that interests you. Work at something you enjoy. Nobody is successful at what they despise. It could be necessary to climb the ladder from the bottom up. However, if you love what you do, it's likely as not simple to make it happen. The climb to the top will be enjoyable for you. Earn the experience through various employment stages. The moment you feel you've gotten the most out of it, think about moving to another firm to expand your knowledge of diverse corporate cultures. Your business values increase if you acquire more experience in different roles. Combining the above advice may not ensure a bright future, but will undoubtedly solve many financial problems. Perhaps you may also achieve your dreams by taking things one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel and slam that bell icon to get notified of updates. See you next time.